destroying this All Engines Go Thomas. And this one is already pretty scratched up. So yeah, today I'll be destroying this guy. So have fun watching it suffer in this video. Alright. That was literally coal, so of course it didn't do anything to it. Let me go get something that will actually destroy this thing, and I'll be right back. Alright, the first thing we're going to be using is these pliers. So let's see if we can get something off of Thomas, like a part of him. Okay, his funnel just got bent. You know what? These pliers won't work, really. I mean, I guess they would, because there's a little crack in the face and the funnel's a little bent. Let's see if I can like do something to like one of the wheels or something. Oh. No, not really. Let me try again. Nope, not really. Here's the damage done to the wheel. Alright, next destroying tool, hammer. Oh, okay guys. So yeah, after the hammer, the smoke box and the face came off. You can see some damage in the coupler. The wheels are scraped. Like it looks like part of the coal bunker was damaged, and I don't know if that scrape was there before, but yeah, scrapes on the cab. Alright. Let me try to hammer again, but on the side. Oh, and now, we're on the bottom, I guess. Oh, and now we're on the side again. Oh. Alright, guys, so, we got a chunk out of his wheel, and on the side you can see the running board is pretty dented up, and his front buffer is dented up, and way more scratches. So yeah, we're gonna try to top again. Oh shoot, I missed it. It just went flying. So, yeah, it literally just went flying. Let me just put it back down again, and, we're gonna turn it over to, like, hit the roof. darn it, it went flying again. Like, this thing won't stay still for just a few minutes. Alright. Let me try the side again. Oh. Guys, I cracked the running board open. Alright. So, here's the damage to him so far. He's very dirty, but, it's not what we're focused on right now. The chassis and the running board was cracked open, so yeah. Just more scrapes and scratches and yeah. Alright guys, next tool. The next tool we'll be using for this Thomas is none other than a brick. Alright guys. He literally got implanted into the ground. See if I can like hit the top of him, like. Alright guys, I'm gonna like put this Thomas on like a hard surface. See if that works. Oh crud, I literally just like. Alright, more just scrapes and scratches. The brick didn't really do anything. Hang on, let me try to side real quick. Nothing really. Hang on, let me like stand him up in the dirt. Hang on. Oh crud. Alright. I think that's the best I can get his smoke box back on. So let me just get the face real quick, because it's what I mainly want to be destroyed here. Alright. Brick time. Bruh, like that literally missed him. Yeah, just a few scratches on the face. We're gonna go back to the hammer and see what that does. Alright guys, we have the hammer again. Let's see. Alright, let's see. Alright, it's not doing much. Oh, crud. Guys, I broke part of the ground. Yeah, I was trying to destroy the Thomas. I broke part of the ground. Look at how scratched up and dirty he is, though. Like, looks like this guy was, like, through a fire or something when I've literally just been hitting him with, like, hammers and bricks and stuff this entire time. It's insane. Oh my word. Yeah, guys, he's pretty much dead. But I'm gonna put him through more torture because, like, you can still tell that this is, quote-unquote Thomas, but this is, like, All Engines Go Thomas, and, like, All Engines Go sucks, because, like, the classic series was great and stuff, like, CGI was cool, but then they made this, like, what is this? Like they made Thomas look like a baby in All Engines Go, but thankfully All Engines Go is canceled now, and I want to celebrate that by, destroying an All Engines Go toy and posting it on YouTube. So, yeah, let's get onto it. The face went flying again. Okay. His wheel is starting to, like, come off, hang on, let me see if I can get that open with my bare hands, currently, cracking the whole, bottom part, there we go, yeah, here are 2 wheel sets, yeah, this destruction is really worth it, alright. More destroying. His overall, like, metal body, like, is still intact, but, like, most of the plastic parts are just, like, gone by this point. Let me see, what if I tried on the bottom? He just went flying again. Hang on. Alright, I have him back again. Let me try the front. Like, I'm trying to, like, just break the whole running board, like, apart. Yeah, I think he's pretty much destroyed, but I'm gonna try to do more damage just so he can suffer. Alright, I think the pliers will help more, this time around, so let me see if I can just, get the pliers, like, through, like, the running board and stuff, so I can, like, cut the running board open. Oh, crud. Okay. Alright, Alright, guys. I'm bending it. Oh, crud. Guys, caused a lot of damage now. Seems the pliers have kind of worked, you know? See if I can, like, get, like, other parts open. Let's see if I can, like, let's see if I can, like, get this coupler off. Like, I wonder if that's even possible. Hang on. Crud. No, not really, I guess. we're gonna try to get one of the back buffers off. Crud. Let me try to... Oh my... This thing is, really annoying me. Let me see what happens if I put the entire engine in the pliers. Oh my word. Guys, I'm actually squeezing it. I swear, it's just not budging. Alright, back to the hammer, I guess. I just want the main body to, like, just break entirely. Like the main part that tells you it's Thomas, like, just to be broken. Or, quote-unquote Thomas, since this is, like, an all engines go Thomas. Oh my word. Oh, guys, we got something. Alright, guys, so, we officially split the whole running board apart from the main body, and the cab's starting to come off. And this part right here is like, it's like dead, basically. And here's part that like would like connect to this that's not connected anymore. But yeah, hang on. Can I like pull the cab apart? Guys, it's actually working. No, not really. Hope this is not as damaged as I can get. All engines go, Thomas. Like, I hope this is not the limit to how much I can damage him, but, yeah, we'll try to damage him more. He's pretty dang destroyed already. Hang on, I think I got the cab open. Oh, yep, the cab is broken. The whistle came off, and yeah, I think that's the best I can get it. So yeah, guys, here's him now. Yeah, this has been very, very fun, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Consider subscribing if you want to see more of this, cause yeah. Alright then. See you guys later.